Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for the love and support. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. Just hit that red subscription button while you're here and put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Today I'm making pineapple coconut upside down cake.
Share them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
For this eggless cake, we're gonna need flour, baking powder, plant-based butter, applesauce, flaxseed, vanilla, ginger powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, pineapple, cherries, and coconut. So it's pineapple coconut upside down cake. Cream the butter and the sugar until smooth. Add soaked flaxseed, applesauce, and vanilla, followed by the coconut, and mix and incorporate it. Add the flour, baking powder, nutmeg, and then the cinnamon. And our cake mix will be ready. If you are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Be a part of the family. Here I have my baking pan right here. I'm going to add the melted butter to it, followed by the pineapple. So here we have the pineapple, the sugar, the melted butter, and the cherries, and that's for the topping along with some coconut. So now I'm adding the sugar after the melted butter, and now it's time to add the pineapple to that. So I'm just gonna cover the bottom of the cake pan with the pineapple. Just put the pineapple as close as possible. And then after that, I will add the cherries in those little holes. And then sprinkle some coconut on top. And this is a quick and easy cake, guys. Easy to make, simple and easy. So now I'm adding the cherries, and I'm just gonna fill all the available hole. Yes. And now it's time to sprinkle the coconut. And this is the remaining of the coconut. Remember, we add some in the cake mix. Now it's time to pour the butter over. And this is just enough for one pan. So put to bake until golden brown. 30 minutes will do. I like it golden brown. Put it down. This is what the cake looks like after 30 minutes. Let this sit a bit and let it cool so we can put it upside down. Remember, it's a pineapple coconut upside down cake, eggless. So here I have a cake stand, and I'm just gonna turn the cake down or flip it over. And here is my lovely upside down cake. So there you have it, my lovely people. This is an eggless cake. So for the rising agent, I use flaxseed, applesauce rising and binding agents. Okay, flaxseed and applesauce with no eggs. So this is vegan friendly. Please give this recipe a try, and if you do so, come back and let me know how did it go. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what you wait pan? Just go ahead, man. Do the do. Yes, take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. And as I always said, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, where I talk about food, I cook food, and I eat food. Guidance. One love.
Mr. J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine. So please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friends.